Today, in this video, I'm gonna explain how to improve PS5 graphics with better colors. Go to settings from top right, then click on screen and video. Then click on video output information. Then check the information about video output. Then go back and click on resolution. Then change it to the highest resolution. Then go to HDR and turn it on. Then change the RGB range to limited. Then go to save data and game app settings. Then go to game presets, then go to performance mode on resolution mode, then change it as performance mode or you can select it as game default. By following these steps, you can improve PS5 graphics with better colors.
This video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.